we're going to go to the browser, and what we're going to simply type in is IC market. Yeah, we're going to IC market, and then we're just going login. So we did the create account already. So what we're going to do now, we're going, like, we trade and everything now. So what we're going to do is just withdraw money. So we're going to just log in, and I'm already approved and everything. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go up here. So up the top part is to transfer, and we're going to withdraw funds. Alright, while it's loading, just remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. So yeah, okay, so they made some updates to their system. So the issue is that we can't really use a safe charge, because it was safe charge I deposited $100 with, but you can't see it. They would have normally been the $100 more right here, so you could withdraw $100, but no, that's not there anymore. So what we're going to do, you can use bank transfer as well, but for this example, because bank transfer you're going to have to put in your banking information, and it's pretty straightforward, but we're just going to use the Visa Direct, which I think most persons will probably use. So the Visa Direct, and we are going to withdraw, say 215. So we are going to withdraw $215, leave the rest and see if we can actually grow it. So we're going to add card details. I'm going to add the card details and get back to you guys. You put in information and then you save. So after you put in all the information, you just simply save it. Just wait for it load. Card added successfully. Alright, so now we're going to put in the 215 and we're going to submit. So are you sure you would like to process blah blah blah? Okay, and we're just going wait. It's gonna take a little time, but still loading. Alright, so thank you for submitting your blah 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 blah. So what they're going to do now, they're going to send you an email. We have sent you an email to confirm the transaction. Please check your email. So what we're going to do, simply we're just going to go to our email. I'm not going to pull it up on here, but when you go on the email, you can just pull it up, and bet it, just pull it. I'll just blur the rest. So alright, so what you're going to do is real simple. All you're going to do is just confirm. Click confirm from your email, and you're going to redirect you back to this. You put in the information again. So basically you're going to email, and then afterwards now you just click the confirm link that are going to be there, and they're going to confirm. You're just going to register back, put in back your username and your password, and then good, and we are okay with that. If you're never sure this is the confirmation link, you just click it and then you're good. So yeah, when you reach, it's supposed to reach in your account. Well, I guess depends on how fast your bank is. Probably take my bank about 2 days to a week. Alright, so there's one more thing I want to show you guys. So if after the withdrawal something, it's supposed to show your withdrawal situation. Alright, and you just scroll down, you see it. Alright, here so you can see confirmation pending. They will email you till when you get the confirmation, and after, I think it normally completes maybe like in a day or so. After that, then you simply go and see it reflect in your account probably like 2 days to a week. As you see guys, they send an email saying it has been approved, and we're just going to wait for the money to touch our account. Alright.